Alright, what is up guys? Average Korean here. Today is a very special day because, well, I'll tell you later. But for now, we have to go shopping because today is beach day. Meaning, I gotta go get a lot of stuff. And my bank is going to be crying because I'm actually taking out a lot of money. Yeah, this week has not been my week for money. I thought I could save because I wasn't going to school, but you know, things change, I guess. I don't know, but about to head out right now. I can't speak today. I'm about to go get Gab, and we're gonna go get some stuff, and then I gotta hurry back home and pack my. So let's just see how this goes. But anyways, I gotta get going, so I'll see you guys. All right, just made it to Gab's house. About to pick him up. We're gonna go shopping, and I just realized how much of a rush I'm in. Alright, so my bad. I had to text Gab. He just started texting me. So, but in any case, I'm looking in a rush because I haven't done this morning, and yeah, it's like that. So I gotta go out shopping, get all the stuff that we need, get back, hurry up and pack all my crap. I'm probably only going to be bringing my camera gear and then the snacks and stuff that I said I was going to bring. I need to stop by Walmart to get some ice, and I need to pick up more film. Yeah, I need to get more film. One thing I have to do. So, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think Gab should be on the way out in a bit, so I don't know, I'm just kind of waiting out here because I thought maybe it'd be better. I don't know. That was definitely not worth it. I just opened and closed my door like 50 times. I was so confused.
You already just saw it.
What's up?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hola camera.
Okay. Anything?
Ni hao, konnichiwa, and yeah. 안녕하세요.
Anyways, we just finished. Now. Alright, you good? Alright. So now we're on our way to Walmart.
Walmart.
Oh wait, I forgot to put this in the
I think Ox is broken.
That is crazy. Jacob, you want to say hi to the camera?
Hi, what's up, guys?
Oh no, Gab, you just asked for help. I swear, every time I pray that Jacob doesn't kill me.
Okay, it's not that bad. Like, it's not. You're overreacting. I'm sorry, I'm not overreacting, bro.
We can try to waste you.
I don't know. If anything happens, like, I get a spray for like my dad's gonna know.
That's not gonna happen. You're a safe driver, right?
Yeah, of course. Like every day, I
How are you guys so deep? It's so. Oh my god! It's actually It's freezing. You're funny.